We are also going to do an exponential decay, and it looks like this, pretty similar. But if you'll notice, our b has changed. It is between 0 and 1. The points over here have changed, or not changed. So we still have negative 1, 1 over b. We have 0, 1, and we have 1b. So let's look at that. We need a value between 0 and 1. That is where we have exponential decay. So something between 0 and 1. Let's be easy again. A half is right between 0 and 1. So let's say we're graphing f of x is equal to a half to the x power. That means our points over here are, let's just come down here, we have negative 1 to the 1 over 1 half. Let's talk about that. Again, 0, 1 doesn't change. We still have 0, 1. And then we have 1 half b. Excuse me, 1 half. Our b is right here in our function. That's what we're replacing. If I do 1 over 1 half, that means this is flipping up. And basically, if you want to just divide that on your calculator, but let's go back to grade school. If I divide by 1 half, that means I'm dividing by that reciprocal of, flip it over, 1 times 2 over 1, so I have a 2. So this is negative 1, 2 is that point. The point negative 1, 2. So negative 1, 2 is the first point that I'm graphing here. 0, 1, which has not changed, and 1, 1 half. And this is my exponential decay. So you can always check yourself as you're graphing these. It should decay. And you've done these in science as well. So what is decaying over time? Remember the dinosaurs? Remember that carbon dating? The evidence of carbon is decaying over time. You have that half-life. This is that exponential decay. And again, we have that funny word, asymptote, silent P, tote. The value that it is approaching and never going to reach. It's going to be this K value that we will talk about right here. These transformations. So right here, it's K value. Do we have a K value? No, we don't. We have a 0. Do we have a K value here? No, we don't. We have a 0. So our asymptote is this 0 that we're approaching. So our x-axis. So I hope you took some good notes. Back it up if you did not. And be ready for some questions. Easy graphing, guys. 3 points. Get you out the door.